Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on turning on the feature to make your Xiaomi phone's ringer volume increase the longer you go without answering a call. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Start by opening the Settings app. In Settings, scroll down and select Apps. In Apps, select System App Settings. Next, select Call Settings. In Call Settings, select Incoming Call Settings. Here, enable a toggle next to Increasing Ringtone Volume. When it's turned on, it will gradually increase your ringtone when getting calls. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Xiaomi and MIUI tips and tricks.